In your factory, the line is 4 line, 4 cable. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 fire line, 1, 2, 3 fire line, and 1 is loud line. 1 is loud line. So we connect to the paper cut machine. We connect to the paper cut machine is L1, L2, L3 is fire line, and the N is loud line. So you say L1, L2, L3 fire line, and N is loud line. And the PE is the protect earth line. Some countries they have 5 line, so 5 cable. They have PE line. You should connect the PE line. Here is the AC driver for the main motor, and here is the control, and here is the step motor control. Here is the PLC, and here is the conductor. Here is the ultrasonic on off. We use another machine. Here is already cleared power. Here is ultrasonic. This is on. This is on. And here is power switch, total power switch, air brake, and here is power for heating too, and the control part. And here is the solid relay, and here is the solid relay. Also heating solid relay 2, and heating solid relay 3, and heating solid relay 4. Here is match you. Hit 1, hit 2, hit 3, hit 4. Heating 1, heating 2, heating 3, heating 4. Here is the PLC. Here is the PLC control, and here is the power switch, and here is the control the motor, the oil pump, and the pre-feed mode. Here is the lubrication pump. Here is the pre-feed motor. Pre-feed motor is this one. Pre-feed motor. Feed the bottom paper. And here is the knurling motor for the cup knurling. Cup knurling is this place. For the cup knurling the cup bottom, the cup bottom. For the cup bottom knurling. And here is for the connect to the ultrasonic. This one for ultrasonic. This one is connected to the collector, socket, and the plug and socket. Here is for the oil pump, and the pre-feed motor, and the knurling, ultrasonic, and the brake, and for the conveyor for this one, 14 conveyor. And here is a bottom feed step motor, bottom feed the bottom motor feed the paper. Here is the AC driver, the main motor AC driver, and here is the input. Here is alarm, and here is fan, and here is for the remote controller. After we connect the power, we first should open the total power. We should open the total power. While open the total power, we should wait the PLC. Here is total power. Here is alarm switch. You should turn on, always turn on. And there is air switch. Air switch should turn on. Here is paper sock switch. Only you feed the cup 1 paper. And then you work this one. This one is for start. Indicator, for the power indicator. And this one stop the machine. This is jog, inch moving. And here start. You need 2 buttons. 2 finger, 2 hands together to start the machine. One press this one, another finger press one, and wait minutes. Wait seconds, and then start. Here's urgent stop, And here's heat 1, you should switch on. And heat 2, heat 3, heat 4, switch on. This temperature you can adjustment against the paper thickness. This one is for learning, normal not over 210. This absolutely is on. And after open, while it's open, it shows urgent stop. While open, it's showing the emergency stop, urgent stop. That means you need the remote controller. Just a click job. And then the machine is working. And here, right now, this one is on. It's already on. The learning motor is on. And the oil pump. While the machine arrival, you should click on the oil pump. The fan feed on. And here learning off and the oil interwork. This one is for first work is continue. And after 1 week or 1 month, we use this one, oil pump. And this one is learning off, no need. And here the speed was 80, and the feeding with low change. Only low change the speed, and how many pieces. And here is the, you can see how many pieces. And here is the quantity, empty the production. Manual page. Here is the host, you test the host. And here is the jog, you take the button. Test the button. And here is the pre-feeding. You press to check the pre-feeding. And the learning. Check the learning. Oh, first, very important. After you click the power, you should check the learning. This one is feed the paper with the button. On this side, pour the paper on this side. And the learning, while you check the learning, here, this one is rotate clockwise. Clockwise rotates. Here's the clockwise rotate motor. Here's the servo motor. Servo motor is control the bottom feed paper. Servo motor. And here is oil pump. Of course, you should also check the oil pump is working or not. The oil pump is here. You should check the oil pump. The oil pump is working or not. You should check the oil pump working or not. And the air flow. The learning motor. The air flow, the flow air. You can hear. Here is blow the air. This one. This is two pipe. Here is blow the air. The solid valve control the airflow. Solid valve control the airflow. And this ultrasonic control this one. This one press ultrasonic. And here the same work checking. You see there's a sharp place. Here's checking the ultrasonic. This one is slow and portable, while this is low paper. And this, while the ultrasonic is not touch the mode. And there is low paper not working. You should check press. Check the ultrasonic. The point is very slow. Click under the green. Okay. This one is the remote controller, urgent stop. Here's the jog 1 in the machine, inch. Here's the ultrasonic working. While working on ultrasonic. Here's the socket paper. Here's the wheel and the country wheel. Here is the carbon paper. carbon paper. And the P on the top side. P on top side. P on top side. P on top side. P on top side face. Here is sensor to test the paper. If no paper, it will kill your alarm. Here is fine short, the parameter. Fine short alarm. This one is not on. You keep on, it will kill your alarm. Ultrasonic time and the preferred time, bottom length, bottom length, and the preferred speed, total speed, and the fine short alarm. This one fine short alarm. This one paper jam alarm. Use a paper jam here. It will give you alarm and stop. And here is cap barrel alarm. Cap barrel is capside sealing. Capside sealing. And the cap reversal. This one is a cap reversal. Reversal. Cap reversal is this one. Is this one. This sensor. If the cap flow not come here, here is not stop. And here no button. No cap button. No cap button is this one. No cap button. No cap button. And here is bottom row, shorter lamp, and this sensor. This sensor. And the cap drop. Cap drop line, cap outer line, cap drop in this one. Cap drop in this sensor. Cap drop in this sensor. And the cap out this sensor. This one. This one. This one. And this one sensor. So the cap out. The cap discharge and out going. And here is the jaw. Paper straight, suck, start, suck, and stop, urgent stop. Same control, advanced control. Here is test the compressor. Here is test the pressure. 大概多大这个？
这个是吧？
啊，这个是主要的吧？这是主的是吧？
这是主的，两个都是主的，很小。
这个是控制下面那个气压的嘛？
这个是控制这吹热风的。
这个吹热风的，这个呢？
这个是吸脂的那些用的。
啊 ，this one is a compressor。
很小就行，0.2、0.3就可以。
The pressure is depends on the paper thickness. It's about 0.4 to 0.3. 0.4 to 0.3. And this one is the suck the paper. This one is come to the blower. The pipe blower. Pipe blower. Blow the hot air. Blow the hot air. Blow the hot air. The machine you need to connect to the pipe is 12. Is 12 pipe to the compressor. And when now he's connect the paper, he can connect the bottom paper. Carbon paper free. The bottom paper. The bottom paper is T upside. T upside. T upside. It's this way and turn on, and this side. And here to this side. And T upside. T upside. T upside. And you should fit inside into the touch the. You should fit here. The sensor, you say, point the sensor, the paper. Here should press down. Here should press down. Here should sensor. You see, with the sensor to here. Already the sensor to here. Already the sensor to touch the paper. And it comes from here, from the bottom. From here, bottom paper. Bottom parts, bottom parts, bottom parts, and here's bottom parts, sensor come here, bottom, the bottom, no bottom, and here's fit the cap fan paper. You should spray water, you should spray water, spray water. And here's fan. trend for the Ultrasonic. Here is trend for the Ultrasonic. This one order for the Ultrasonic. This one for the Ultrasonic. Here is sensor to take the paper. Paper coming. The customer coming. This one working. Sensor to take the paper. Take paper coming. The fine paper. And this one work. And here is sealing. Here is the cup dome body sealing. And here is for the cup frame. This one is sanding oil for the cup top curling. Sanding oil. This one is sanding oil. Sanding oil you need to put for the cup top curling. For the cup top curling. So you should fill the sanding oil. Depends on paper.这个有检测过，会有吗？会有检测过，试过没有？设置好了有没有试过？
没试过，这个一般这个都要正常生产的时候自己根据自己那个实际情况来调整。
这个到时候应该怎么弄？不是你要先设置好啊，这边的。
这设置原来有设置好的，到时候直接加油就好了。
加油就可以了，是吧？
它这都有设置好的。
这个是怎么加油？
打这里有个口，就在孔里面加。
弄一下。
这里有口。
Here is cool. Here is cool to put the oil in. And here you can cover it. 然后这个是怎么放呢？这个松掉是放是吧？
对，把这个打开以后，把这个螺丝拧上来。
这样
可以拧得上来的。你要不用的时候，把这个这样放下来就好，可以了。
这样是关掉了是吧？
对，这样就是关掉了。
然后如果要用呢？
用了你就把这里打开就好了。
This one is switch off. This one is switch off. The oil not
它这个螺丝越往上松，它调大小的可以。
往上松越大吗？
对。越往下拧越小。
This one is adjustment to the 那个 oil, how many oil?
这样调好以后就不用动了，直接来回关这个就好。
And here switch off. And here to start the oil drop. You can adjust the oil more or less, oil flow. If the paper is good, you can drop little. But sometimes the paper is difficult to make the cup top curling good. You can drop more adjustment. Here is the adjustment. And here is the oil. The oil comes here. Oil to here. The paper. Touch the paper. Oil to here. Okay, right now this one is connected to the and this one is encoder. Encoder control the machine location. This one is the oil pump. Oil pump. You need to fill in the oil. While the machine arrival, you should fill in the oil. It's 46 hydronic oil. The oil should cover the pump and should cover to almost here, almost to this spot. The oil pump is filling. Oil pump filling inside the gear, the can, and while the machine arrival, maybe inside we'll put some pump. 太吵了，声音太吵了。The air is too much. While the machine inside arrival, you should check inside there are parts inside or not. You should clean the parts. Here is a valve control the air control. Here is fillet the air. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and one spare. Here's the paper. And after, like we said, you should set the power for the single phase. Set the power single phase for the collector. Single phase collector, and here is the power switch. On. And here said how many pieces. Water loss is 25 pieces. And here you can drop. It. If you press, you drop it. And here you should collect the pipe, the compressor. Here you should collect the compressor. Here you should collect the compressor. This one is another pipe to collect the compressor. Here to collect the parking machine. Another pipe, and another pipe, and another the electric. Collect the parking machine. Okay, here for the cup machine collect. The same one is check. This one is turning, and this one. Proper one's turning. This one should have proper one's turning. Okay, collect the cup machine always set. Oh, the pipe. The pipe, well, the pipe on one wall. You should set like this. Here, pipe. Here is a plastic. And here is the elbow. The film, do not tear the film. Do not tear the film. The film helps the air flow. And here is also film. Do not tear the film. Do not tear the film. Do not open the film. And here sensor to take the cups. Sensor to take the cups and for cups. Sensor to take the cups for cups. Sensor to take the cups for cups. And here's the control the sensor. Here sensor to take the cups for cups. 没有气。没有。Here's the flow velocity. This one is blower the cup. Blow the cups out. Blow the cups out. Okay, here's a finished. This one is this side. This one is this side. See, this one is this side. This side, the cup this side. Select the parking machine. The parking machine, the cup. The cup should face this side. Cups drop. Let's say this cup is not good because no spray water. No spray water and the oil pump, the oil not good. Not spray oil. No spray oil and no water not good. The water, not spray water. This side. Okay, here's finished the cup down. See, cup down and drop, and here and feed to the, and here feed to the parking machine, and here feed to the parking machine. The parking machine, and the parking machine here. Here, and cap drop, and the hair feed, cap parking machine, the film is double layer. The film is double layer. Double layer film. And come here, and here, from this side, from inside. Go inside the switch, and here, inside, and here, separate, here separate to there, separate, and here's the pipe. Here's the car. Here's the